Good morning, children. Today we will see some numericals on the basis of electric current, potential difference and resistance. Let's start with electric current. Question I will send you in the PDF form. Only I will read the question and solve the numericals. So from the PDF you have to see the questions as well as just watch the solution in the video. Question is, an electric bulb draws a current 0.25 ampere, means current is 0.25 ampere. A electric bulb draws a current of 0.25 ampere for 20 minutes, means T is equal to 20 minutes. Then convert into second, so 20 into 60, you will get 1200 second. Then what you have to find? Calculate the amount of electric charge. Electric charge is denoted by capital Q. Then you have to find capital Q. You know that the formula of electric current, that is I is equal to Q by T. Then Q is equal to I into T. Put the values. 0.25 into 1200, 0.25 into 1200, then multiply, you will get 300. I am repeating the question again. Question is, an electric bulb draws current 0.25 ampere and time taken is 20 minutes, then find the electric charge. Okay beta. Just see the next numerical, which is based on potential difference. In the same manner you have to calculate electric current, time और charge. ये तीनों चीजें जब दिया रहेगा आपका, उसमें से एक मिसिंग होगा और दो प्रेजेंट होगा, तो आपको यही फॉर्मूला यूज करना है इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का, which was our first topic. Now we will see next numerical which is based on potential difference. So पहले आप फॉर्मूला याद रखो potential difference का, V is equal to W by Q. Work is potential difference is equal to work done by charge. Okay beta. So question is, how much work is done? How much work is done means you have to find work done. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb? Charge of 2 coulomb. So charge is 2 coulomb. Read the question properly, then it will be easy for you to solve any numerical. Okay beta. 2 coulomb charge from a point at where voltage is or potential is 118 volt, from a point to suppose point A पे आपका potential difference है 118 volt to another point take B and their potential difference is 128 volts. Means आपको दो पॉइंट के पोटेंशियल्स दिए हुए बेटा, तो सबसे पहले हम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इसका निकाल लेंगे. तो क्या हो जाएगा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बेटा? 128 माइनस 118, सो यू विल गेट 10 वोल्ट. सो V इज इक्वल टू 10 वोल्ट्स. दो पॉइंट का पोटेंशियल दिया है बेटा, जिसमें आपको चार्ज को मूव कराने के लिए वर्क करना है फ्रॉम दिस पोटेंशियल टू दिस पोटेंशियल. Now you have to find work done. Use the formula V is equal to W by Q. Then W is equal to V into Q. Put the values. Q is 10 volt. Sorry. V is 10 volt and Q is 2 coulomb. So you will get 20 joule. So work done will be 20 joules. So when you have work done any two quantity, work done, charges and potential difference, तीन में से कोई भी दो प्रेजेंट होगा तो आप तीसरा फाइंड कर सकते हो. इट्स मीन दैट फॉर फाइंडिंग इलेक्ट्रिक करंट और पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस और चार्जेस और वर्क डन और टाइम, these two formulas you can use. It's a very easy. Now move to the next question, where on the basis of Ohm's law, it means that electric current, potential difference as well as resistance is given. Take a question. A simple electric circuit has 24 volt battery. 24 volt battery means potential difference is 24 volt. Just listen the question first. A simple electric circuit has 24 volt battery and a resistor of 60 ohm, means resistance is 60 ohm. What will be the current in the circuit? Question is, what will be the current in circuit? These are the simple numericals. इससे पहले हम थोड़े कॉम्प्लेक्स सॉल्व करें. बिफोर दैट जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व आउट सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल्स इज गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. So use the formula. What is the Ohm's law's formula? V is equal to IR. You have to find I, then I is equal to V by R. Put the values. 24 by 60, 12 2s and 12 5s. So you will get 0.4 ampere current. Okay beta. See another numerical in which resistivity is also present, means R is equal to rho L by A. So we will use this formula. Question is, a copper wire of length 2 meter, L is equal to 2 meter. A copper wire whose length is 2 meter and area of cross section area is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square, has a resistance of 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm. Calculate the resistivity of power. So you have to find resistivity. Just use this formula. So in the form of resistivity we will write it. A आपका डिनोमिनेटर में है, just take this side. So RA divide by L. Use this formula. Put the values. R is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 multiply by A 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole divide by L, 2 meter. 1.7 into 2, 3.4. 10 to the power minus 6 and 10 to the power minus 2. So 10 to the power minus 8 whole divide by 2. 2 से आप इसको डिवाइड करो. 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 ओम मीटर. सो ये हो जाएगा हमारा आंसर. So we have seen 4 numericals. On the basis of 4 numerical, I will give you some questions for homework. Thank you beta. Next.